How does a public key work with JWT authentication? Imagine you are sending a secret message that only the intended person can verify. In the world of digital security, this is similar to how public keys work with JSON Web Token authentication. When you want to confirm a token's authenticity, a public key plays a key role. First, a pair of cryptographic keys is created. One is called the private key, which stays secret and is used to sign tokens. The other is the public key, which is shared openly so others can verify those tokens. When a token is created, the issuer signs it using the private key. This signature acts like a digital fingerprint, proving the token is from a trusted source and hasn't been changed. A JSON Web Token has three parts: the header, the payload, and the signature. The header tells what kind of token it is and what algorithm was used, like RSA with SHA-256. The payload contains information such as who issued the token, when it expires, and user details. The signature is created by encrypting the header and payload with the private key. When a backend service receives this token, it needs to check if it is valid. It does this by using the public key. The service extracts the signature and the data that was signed. Then it uses the public key and the same algorithm to verify if the signature matches the data. If it does, the token is confirmed to be genuine. If not, the token is rejected. Sometimes, tokens include a key identifier called a key ID. This helps the service pick the right public key when there are multiple keys in use. This setup makes sure that only the correct public key is used for verification. The main benefit of this system is security. The public key cannot be used to create or change tokens. Only the private key can do that. This means anyone can verify a token without risking the private key. This setup is especially useful in systems where many services need to verify tokens without sharing sensitive signing keys. In practice, backend systems often get their public keys from JSON Web Key Sets endpoints. These are online locations where public keys are stored and can be fetched dynamically. This makes it easier to keep verification keys up to date. So, in simple terms, the public key acts as a trusted verifier. It confirms that a token was signed by the private key holder and has not been altered. This process ensures secure and reliable authentication across multiple systems, APIs, and databases.